Randy's back at it. Looks like he did the whole field last night, except for the spots he can't get because there's still a fence there. Wow. What a change. Have to send the drone up. So there you have it. Most of the field is worked up. There's this island of trees. First things first. There's about 450 meters of fence that needs to come down. See how long that takes me. Then maybe I'll push some trees. You can see Randy started to go diagonal. He said it's much better. The second pass, not nearly as rough. Well, one pulled out. Oh, I bent the other one. I can actually see the bordering fence line. The end. I mean, I still have, 100 feet to roll up here, and that's a. But I mean, a couple hundred meters left. Kind of catching the end of another glorious sunset. Made it to the end. It's my giant roll of barbed wire. Suck it, fence! Woo! That's gonna be it for tonight. There's some posts to pull tomorrow. Back to the Bison ranch. Looks like we got Doug here, disking away today. Ooh, hey, what a ride. I gotta go pull a half mile of posts. And then hopefully that'll be it for cleanup here, for now anyways. Oh, maybe not. The last, well, almost the last post. And I lost the hook. Whoa. Gonna need the grinder for that. Now I just gotta pick them up. Last load of wire. The wire pile. Good riddance, barbed wire. Now I just gotta push some posts. I'm gonna use the bucket because my fork is kind of broken. Doesn't like to stay on very well. Find myself at the end here again. Got all my posts pushed into piles. So I think I'll come back and pick those up with the forks. Bucket doesn't do the trick. But right now I'm just gonna cut the last of it off. Should free it up. Oh yeah, she'll yank out of there. Who would have thought that wasn't a solid place to put the GoPro? Last piece. Oh yes. Woo! So sore from bouncing around in this little box. Happy to be almost done. Just nice and steady all the way back. Kind of wish Doug left me my little haul road there instead of disking up everything. Ah! Last load anyways. Probably can't see, but no sooner did I say I wish Doug didn't disc up my old road, disc up my new one. Oh, that's good to be done. Just gonna do one more quick drone flight. Got a little updated shot of the progress here. Well, as you can see, there's a whole lot over there that's turning nice and black, but there's still this half that needs a little more working. So I'm gonna go get a different trailer, haul some fence posts home, and then slowly make my way out of here. Just got this little trailer of my dad's. I'm gonna try to throw this big chunk of rubber on there, see if it can handle it. And these fence posts. Mission accomplished. Yeah, I took my shirt off. I had all kinds of thistles on my back or something. Stuck to my shirt. A lot of new land opened up here. Now I don't really know what's next, so until next time, been a slice.